this video, we'll be exploring Caption by Hyatt Namba Osaka and the surrounding area. Hi, welcome to the Caption by Hyatt Namba Osaka. Come on in. Alright, so this is our room. We're staying here for 2 nights. At the time of booking, it was a Cat 1, so I got it for 6.5k Hyatt points per night, or 13,000 Hyatt points total. And then at the time of booking, the 2 nights total with taxes and fees cost $472. This is a 1 queen bed on the 5th floor. This hotel has a mini fridge in your room. And then they also give you some tea, coffee, and there's a filtered water station that you can fill up at. They also give you some slippers, which is nice, and a pair of pajamas. The hotel's pretty small, but again, it's pretty cheap, and the location's quite good. It's in the heart of everything in Osaka. The bathroom is actually surprisingly spacious compared to the rest of the room. It's got a walk-in shower with a rainfall head and another bidet, as customary in Japan. Next up, we will be exploring the Dotombori District of Osaka. This area by the Dotombori Canal is a 10-minute walk away from the Caption by Hyatt and is a popular nightlife destination with vibrant billboards, restaurants, and even a Don Quixote-themed Ferris wheel. We visited Round 1 while at Dotombori, which is a Japanese brand of arcades. We recommend buying the Spochawa package, which offers unlimited access to arcade games without physical prizes and various sports-related games. We finished off the night with a nighttime cruise along the Dotombori Canal, where we saw the iconic Glico Man billboard. Next up, we are going to Tempozan Harbor Village, where we saw the giant Ferris wheel and Kaiyukan Aquarium. The Ferris wheel offers nice views of the Osaka skyline. It takes 15 minutes to complete 1 revolution, and for 2 people, it was 1,800 yen, or about $12 USD currently. The adjacent park also had some blooming cherry blossoms. There are a lot of animals at the Kaiyukan Aquarium, but without a doubt, the star of the show are the fantastic whale sharks. Here are some clips of the food we ate in Osaka. We didn't have anything super crazy or fancy, but we did make sure to try some takoyaki, as takoyaki originated in Osaka. We had a serene night walking around Osaka Castle. This area is absolutely filled with cherry blossom trees, but we were a few days too early to catch the full bloom. They had a special nighttime event for the cherry blossoms, but since we were too early, it was definitely disappointing. Regardless, there were still some great views at night, and we got some great pictures of Osaka Castle. For our last stop in Osaka, we visited a miniature pig cafe about a 20-minute walk away from the Caption by Hyatt. The pig cafe was a fun experience. If the pigs weren't coming up to you enough naturally, the girls working would pick them up and bring them to you to make sure you got enough pig time. The rooms at the Caption by Hyatt are small, but there is no denying that for the price with points, the value is excellent. In addition, Osaka is a city filled with activities and well worth a stop. Do you have a recommendation in Osaka? Leave a comment below. If you would like to follow the rest of our Japan trip, click the link on screen now.